Weather Service in Wilmington has issued, for the following counties, a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby, northeastern Montgomery, Miami, western Clark, Champaign, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:34 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Farrington, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Troy, Tip City, New Carlisle, St. Paris, Springfield, Urbana. In addition, Dayton International Airport, Ginghamsburg, Grayson, Casstown, Fletcher, Thornton, Ballou, and Grant are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.